Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an infomercial for STEM students. I'm Dr. Gena Henderson. STEM students, this week we are talking about rethinking how we educate. Rethinking how we educate. Okay, so I would like to put some ideas, some possibilities out there on the way a traditional course changes and a traditional classroom changes versus your online learning and your self-learning that would need to happen. Okay, so the first thing is that a traditional course will be very different. We've already seen some of that with our online presence and how we chunk in material in order to get everything across to you. But not just that, but the traditional classroom is going to change also. So just the general assembly on how you actually get to that classroom changes, because there's a possibility that some students may not come to school all week. For instance, some students may come on Mondays and Wednesdays. Some students may come on Tuesday and Thursday. And this kind of mimics what you see in a university status anyway. So that'll probably linger on to secondary education. And then, like, once you get in the classroom itself, classroom discussion will be more of a debate over material that has read during your self-learning periods that you are away at home. So the teacher will be there to guide that practice and to guide that discussion and that debate, and then send you off to do some online learning on your own, which will include a lot of self-learning too. And then you'll come back into that classroom setting to actually start the process over again. So we're talking about blended learning, where the traditional course in the traditional classroom setting will not be the same. Okay, and so what it's going to take, part of the day you'll actually be there in the classroom, and part of the day you'll actually be at your home doing some online learning. Okay, so I want to thank you for going to work with Gena this morning. If there's any infomercials that you've missed, please don't hesitate to go to YouTube, Going to Work with Gena. Thank you.